Welcome back, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, whatever platform you're watching on. Have a great day. Please hit the heart, follow, like, tag, share and follow. All that jazz. In the wee mini. It's been running now for about half an hour. Temp gauges away up. Heating's hot and working. It's the longest it's lasted, to be honest. We're just doing the final coolant flush on this now. And we've also fixed all the exhaust on it as well. We've freed off the front brakes on it. Has a permanent fault with ABS front, left, can't clear. It's also got a fault with the O2 sensor, downstream lambda, but no light on for that. And you can see the temp gauge just sitting nicely at halfway. Yep, so we've got the 40 flush in it. We'll get this run. It says run it for half an hour in a fast idle. So we've just let it come up to temp. We're doing the fast idle now. We'll get all that dropped back out it and get it filled up with fresh coolant. Before the car, you were 10 minutes. It was through the Victor scale and it was just spewing coolant out everywhere. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please like, tag, share and follow. So here's a coolant fan there. She's been sitting running away there for a wee while now. So on and off all morning, to be honest with you. So I think we're all good in the hood now, with overheating issues. Just everything else, really unfortunate. That blow motor's packed in, it really is. It really is. It really is, man. Gun! Look at you, blow. God knows where they are in these buggers. God knows. Aye. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. There must be a bad wire or something somewhere, the heating. That's off again. There must be a bad wire or something somewhere. Or a bad resistor. Could be the motor, I suppose, but it was. So it's been down, it's been going for like half an hour. Sometimes 20 minutes, 10 minutes, and it's off again. It did come back to life there, but. No idea. Yes, fine. So his fan is going. It's really hot. Obviously we've been touching all that, like the colour of that now. So that's been about half an hour. We'll let all this cool down, man. Jesus. Right, what was happening was before, was just blowing that off of there, coolant spewing everywhere. So that's obviously, we've got a flush in it. We've got one of the 40 flushes in it. So one of those biodegreasing cooling systems, and obviously this is an old bucket, but that's the colour of it. That is just rust. Obviously there's wee bits of oil in there, but you can see it, that's no red coolant, guys. That is rust that was in that cooling system. So we'll probably flush this once or twice, take it to there. So Mini is going to want a radiator as well now. You can just see in there that foam. Obviously you can see it's all nice blue coolant now. It was just rust that was coming out of this. The foam is that stuff, so it's going to want a radiator as well now, the car. So we did suggest this was going to be a money pit, and I think to get it through the MOT is nearly close to £1,000 as well. So yeah, not good. You can just see it's all foaming there, so that's burst. Right, just switch this off, don't let it run any longer. So obviously the coolant's not flying out of that, but that's the foam, and that's what it does, it cleans it off. I did suggest this was going to be a money pit. So there's the expansion bottle on the wee Mini. Jesus, look at all that rust, man. So hopefully that's all well. We know the radiator cap had failed on the original thermostat housing. Obviously the radiator was full of rust as well, plus burst. So I'm hoping this is all the last of it now, because I've honestly put I don't know how much coolant through this vehicle, and I can't continue to keep doing it. So we're going to have to see what happens after we get all of this out. Right, the yellow machine, we've unbastardised it. So I can't do nothing about the springs. I didn't get them for BMW probably. It didn't come with the calipers. I'm going to leave this as well. You can see guys, I emptied it, but for me, probably better just changing that wheel bearing, to be honest with you. It'd probably be less than labour. So that Flexi, they hadn't touched it. This cable was solid, so new cable, new caliper, new pads and this. Fixed that bolt up there. New Flexi, that's a new cable anyway. It is a wee bit rusty, but that has been changed. No idea why I only did one. I had to put a new brake pipe end on there as well. So you can see that new brake pipe. What else? I need to put a wee cable tie in that, actually, that's broken. I know that it's going to be doing anything anyway. Body wise, it's all good, to be honest with you, it's not bad. I think they normally go here, according to my dad. There's lots and lots of MOTs, lots and lots and lots. There is a wee bit there, but not too bad. It's strong enough that it's lifted that car, so I'll tell him to be nice to that bit. So freed off that brake. Obviously you can see that the bumper's still off at the minute. Freed off this brake, and it's also got a new ABS sensor in there as well, which was an incredible fight. So we are having an issue, but we're having an issue. I don't think the low speed fan is working. I had the vehicle all ran up to temp last night. Well, it was running for about an hour. I think we got up to about 101 degrees and the fan hadn't come on, the low speed fan anyway. So I had the machine on it anyway, just monitoring the temps on it, and obviously looking at the ABS fault as well. So we were in with the machine anyway, so we were monitoring it. So while I had it on, I just did some diagnostic on the fan. The fan was working before. The week I've sat where that big pile of shite van is, and it sat there and ran all day. You could hear the fan clicking on and off, and I went back and checked the video last night. You could definitely see that it was working, it was clicking on and off. So obviously brake fluid's all new as well. You can see the coolant's nice and clean. So, and the new Vasa pump in there. I did put a bit of silicone on it, that outer. It does come with a new gasket with that outer outlet, shall we call it. It was a bit pitty and stuff, so a bit of silicone just to help it. So secondary. So you get two speeds on the fan, you get a high speed and you get a low speed. So you've got two wires there. So there's a thinner red wire, which is the low speed, and then the thicker, which is a high speed. The fan is working, the fan's free as a bird, and there is the resistor for it. Now it's pretty common for what I can gather. Yeah, it's pretty common for what I can gather. So common that you can actually buy it from Amazon. Dingo don't have it, mind you. I've not spoke to Arnold Clark yet, so I'm not sure yet what to do with the car. Obviously I did have an incredible fight with the ABS sensor, getting that out, so I am going to, not sure what that's for actually. What the hell is that for? It's a weird looking screw. So, it's a bit for the battery maybe. So we had an incredible fight with that, so we'll need to get the machine plugged back into it. And, where's the key? Let's see what the ABS is doing. Wipers are going. Okay, there's maybe needing the machine on it to clear the light. It's the worst this wee motor started, it was really low on fuel. Right, so we'll get that plugged back in. We'll see. The exhaust's a little noisy on it as well. I've fixed all the exhaust supports and brackets, are all bent and all that kind of jazz. Let's see, what's going on with the seat? There we go. So, OBD thing, where is it? There's in there. Yeah, that's a big hotel plugged in. Let's see what's going on. Yeah. The needle's a bit bent when it's past the red, so we're going to get some go juice in it. Oh dear, I've got a squeaky belt or something. I did go to put the new one on, it's the wrong one. Too small. See what happens here. belt. Maybe just the belt. Come back that noise as soon as that dries up. That's probably just the belt. It's been on and off a couple of times. And it's well old, so it's it. So a little mini, full little data for us. 2002 as well, R50 mini. There's that belt one. Squeaky squeak. So we'll give it the big scan. Full Buna scan. Scanning, scanning, scanning. Come on. Still scanning. Okie doke, pause. Well, that's good. Engine no faults. ABS we knew about. So ABS fault was the only one in it. So you could take it out. Couldn't clear it before. Happy days. I think that's taking that out. So happy days. I only had the one fault. It's just ABS. Near side front ABS sensor. So we've removed. Obviously, we'll need to drive it. Make sure the bearing's okay. Because we did have a right fight to get it out. Doing that last night too. So I'm going to go in here. Test, electric fan stage 1. Right. So it should come on. It's activated. So nothing happened. That's stage 2. So we can hear that. That's the fan doing a video. See when I get to that car, press activate, will we? Activate, Activate! No, it's fine. Right, so. So, aye. In there is your. It was working before, so. But it is quite common for what I can gather. So, I think that's the old radiator for that. Which is all rotten, it was blowing bubbles. Right here, blowing big soapy bubbles. So, that was all rotten. So, that's the aircon condenser fit. I'm not going to put that back on now. It's probably burst. It looks quite decent, but. So. You know that one isn't working for other reason. Activate. Right. Oh, let's see, you're rejecting it, so. That's the high speed fan, but the low speed fan is not working anymore. Happy days, eh? Speak to the customer and see what we do this. We've got a squeaky belt and the fan's not working right, so